Okay. All right, English explorers. So, language explorers. Let's look at today's noun on Monday. So, house. House. A building that was specifically built to be lived in. Specifically, especially for. Specifically, especially for living in. Especially for living in. Yes. Yeah. So, this, or I am inside a house. This is a house. This is a house. That is a house. That is a house. Because they're built for people to live inside them. Yeah. Or a place where people live. See, that's a house and that's a house. It was built and people live in it. It's a home because that person lives there. This is my home, but this is a house, but it's my home. This is my house and my home. That is their house and his home. He lives there. That house is empty. No one lives there. It's no one's home. That house is empty. No one lives there. A house empty. No one lives there. The city is full of houses. There are houses everywhere. And some houses are empty. No one lives in them. Yeah. This house is different from that one. Yeah. So my house is bigger than that house. So my house is bigger than that house. My house is bigger than that house. Yeah. So we also have house and houses. So house is one, singular, and houses with an S, 2 plus. Plural. Yeah. House and houses. This is a house. Those are houses. There are houses over there. This is a house. There are houses over there. There are houses over there. And this is a house. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So that house was in the middle of the countryside with nature, forest, trees, fields, tight roads. Did you see that house in the countryside? Did you see that house just then? Yeah. That was a small country house. It was unique. Unique, one of a kind, only one. Yeah, only one. Yeah. So he is building a new house by the forest. By, next to. We are looking for a house by the sea. Next to the sea. By the sea, next to the sea. Yeah. Our house needs to have a view of the sea. A view. At the window, the view of the sea. Yeah. That house. That house or this house? Which house should we turn in? Which house should we live in? Which house should be our home? Home. Yeah. We will build a house by the lake. We are planning to build a house by the river. Yeah, by the river, next to the river. Next to. Yeah, but not by the forest. by the lake, by the river, but not by the forest. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So house, house, houses, houses. There are houses everywhere. There are houses everywhere. Yes, but I have only one home. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So house. Now, can you write a sentence with house in it? Write it in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.